Hi everybody, I'm back with a Kathy King tutorial from Paper Phenomenon. This is what I call my Tres Chic mini album. I just adore this album. That's the front, the cover, and the back. And it has these cute little girly French-inspired theme. Really, really love the paper. And the tutorial is a Picture Perfect Volume 4 tutorial from Kathy King using the pink passport paper line from Hobby Lobby. Right here I have a little flip-up card where I can put two photographs on the inside, about a 4x4. And over to the right side, I have an acetate pocket. But what I did differently, I took off the lid and I also adhered the paper to the acetate on the inside. Instead of lining the pocket, I lined the actual acetate behind it, if I'm making any sense to you. Right there, that's a photo opportunity on the next page. And I'm using the tag just to show you an example of matting. There's another photo spot, another photo spot. You can put a photograph there in the middle or just enjoy the paper. I kind of like enjoying the paper. Beautiful paper, the most thinnest paper in the world though. This is like a upside down flip pocket that has a tag. And here's another tag on a slanted belly band. Oh, Kathy was genius with this slanted belly band. And I love the paper, the perfume paper, the colors, the teals, the pinks. Beautiful paper, which I thought worked well with the black as the base. And the stickers, those stickers, they come from Shimelle's Glitter Girl. And so there's one pocket. This is a side loading pocket. And then there's also a top side loading pocket, which can hold, that's pretty much a 5x7. So think of it like a 5x7 photograph where you can collage something on the inside. Flip it over and you have two more flaps, and they both flap out, or flip out, I should say. And I have the animal print on both sides and then the beautiful perfume paper in the middle. You can photograph the whole thing with the lips. And here's now the Eiffel Tower. That's another spot for photo opportunity. And then there's a definite photo opportunity right there to the right. Flip that over. That was a photo spot, but I added a little pocket just to use the paper, which didn't come with many journaling cards, so I had to get kind of creative with it. Over to the right side here now, this is an acetate pocket. And most of my acetate pockets, I use dies to cut them out because when I try to do it freehand with an X-Acto knife, not so good at it. And flip the page over. This now I'm taking out a little tag that I made. That's a spot to stick in a photograph. It just slides in behind that little pocket. I didn't really create a pocket. It's just glue on it. Flip it open. There's a bunch of photo opportunities there, as you can see. Enjoy the Eiffel Tower paper. Flip up. All these page assemblies are the same. Just so you just mat it differently just to give it variety. That's that upside down pocket. That's that slanted belly band. I used some thickers that came with that Glitter Girl. What is it? Glitter Girl stickers or whatever to put on it. Really cute. Here's a little pocket using another die again. This side pocket and that top loading side pocket. So that's 3 pockets on one page. Isn't that cool? Flip it over, and then we have those 2 flaps that come all the way out and reveals those 4 panels that you can do anything with. Over to the right, I used 2 scraps and a little circle punch and created that little photo spot to the right. Flip it back over. Here now, another photo opportunity. I just added an extra flap to just to add variety. Flip it over. That's another photo opportunity. And then over to the right side, this is the last acetate pocket. And I just put the sticker on the outside of the acetate pocket just to give it some variety. Created another photo opportunity there with the stickers. Flip it up. That's a photograph of the girl. Not a photograph, a journaling spotter. Slanted belly band. And here I also have a acetate side loading pocket, so I changed that up a little bit. Instead of the shallow pocket, I turned it into a side pocket. Only one though. And then the top pocket. So this is actually just 2 pockets, not 3 like the other pages. That's that same top loading that holds that 5x7. And notice that I used the mint just to add a little contrast with the colors. And this is just me enjoying this paper. I just love the little doodling of the girls and the whole French theme. That's a very shallow pocket I just put there just to change it up. And I made 2 more tags. I have a new tag die that I need to show you guys. So a video on that's coming shortly because that tag die set is the most coolest thing. Animal print again with the girls in the middle. I just think this is like très chic, très French, fun. An oval cut out there to put a photograph. I love oval dies. That's my new thing now, oval dies. Completely into ovals. Another spot to stick your tags. Flip it over, photo opportunity. And then this is the back inside pocket. And here I probably should have put that pocket on the front with the macaroons because I think it looks really cool. This paper from Hobby Lobby doesn't come with a lot of what should I say, journaling cards and all that cutouts like the other papers, but it's just so beautiful. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial video show. Take care. Thanks for watching.